did you know that there's a bird that practically lives in the air? But before we start, I want to thank every single subscriber, and if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button now and smash the like. Our goal is 500 subscribers, so let's reach it today, not tomorrow, because the prizes waiting for you are super valuable. That's it. Let's get started. Albatross is a massive seabird with wings that can reach up to 3.5 meters long. This incredible design allows it to glide efficiently over the ocean for long periods of time, making it one of the best long-distance travelers among birds. The albatross can even sleep while flying and hunts its food directly from the sea, meaning it barely needs land at all. Up until now, scientists are still studying the fascinating techniques it uses to sleep in midair. So, did you learn something new or not?